today we're going to be making these cute sandwiches, which can also be mini cakes. So, my name is Sunshine, and today I'm dressed up as a magician. So, this is my costume. I'm going to eat. Didn't even eat lunch today, or breakfast. The supplies are mark the sponges, then cut it. So I cut them. Some are squishy, some are not squishy and rough, and some are really wet. So they're all different. So then you can stick them the way you want, like any pattern. And this is one of the patterns I'm gonna do. You can make these tomatoes, the green things, veggies, and this is how I'm gonna do one of them. The pieces are not sticking with the regular glue, so I get hot glue. Be sure you can't take hot glue without your parents' permission. And be sure it's really hot. First, I'm going to put it on top of this sponge. And then, after I put the green, on top of that, I'm going to put glue and put the red sponge. This looks very plain. So let me add some glitter. So I'm gonna add glue so it will stick. A little bit of hot glue. And then some glitter. Oops. That's it. So here are all the sandwiches done. Don't they look so pretty? And I've stuck the glitter to make it pretty. And I've stuck all the layers. So these are some green veggies like lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, and these are tomatoes. Can I join the party too? Oops, I fell. Of course you can join the party. Come, those are like ginormous sandwiches. Come on, take one, enjoy it. I'll take one too. They're the perfect size for me. So I hope you enjoyed making these sandwiches and this cupcake sandwiches 3 layers. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can get so many views and so many subscribers. Bye!